This video will explain how to measure for swinging cafe doors. First, we will measure for swinging cafe doors in a cased opening. These openings have no doors installed and typically have trim around the outside. Measure at the top, middle, and bottom of your door opening. Make note of the smallest opening dimension as you will use this to order your doors. If you are replacing a traditional pre-hung door, you can choose to keep the door stops. However, removing them is preferred. If you choose to keep the door stops installed, then you will need to measure in between the door stops and mount the door directly to them. Measure at the top, middle, and bottom of your door opening from the door stops. Make note of the smallest opening dimension as you will use this to order your door. Now we will cover measuring a hallway or non-traditional door opening. Measure at the top, middle, and bottom of your hallway where you intend to mount the doors. Make note of the smallest opening as you will use this to order your doors. If you do not have wall studs in the desired mounting location, we recommend choosing custom-made doors with trim board. This eliminates the need for wall studs and gives you greater flexibility during installation. Simply mount the trim boards to the finished wall, then mount the doors to the trim boards. Using the measurement you provide, we will determine how wide the doors can be, leaving adequate space for hinges and trim board. The first option is choosing our custom-made doors. This ensures the best fit possible. With custom-made doors, we use the provided measurement to calculate space for the hinges and clearances between the door openings. Giving an optimal fit, we will send you doors and hardware perfectly sized for your opening width. When ordering, a fraction of an inch must be selected. If your door opening size is a whole number, please select 0 for the fraction of an inch. At Swinging Cafe Doors, our selection is huge and allows you to customize the material, finish, height, and hardware. For faster shipping, Cafe Swinging Doors also offers pre-made stock. When purchasing pre-made doors, they are only available for door openings measuring 30 inches, 32 inches, or 36 inches in width. When ordering pre-made doors, select the door size that is equal to or less than your measured door opening size. Do not choose a door size that is wider than your opening. If you are purchasing doors that are slightly smaller than your measured opening, please visit our Cafe Swinging Doors blog for more options.